Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will look at some common costs associated with keeping up a home. Although these costs are not always associated with child-independent care expenses, it is important to know which expenses are considered costs of keeping up a home and which are not. Normal costs associated with keeping up a home include mortgage interest, rent, utility charges, property taxes, home insurance, home repairs, and food eaten at home. Certain expenses are specifically not considered costs of keeping up a home, such as those paid for education, vacations, life insurance, clothing, medical treatment, transportation, mortgage principal, or home improvements. Let's take a look at review question number 11. Which of the following would be considered a cost of keeping up a home? A. Tuition expenses. B. Property taxes on a home. C. Mortgage principal payments on a home. Or D. Property improvement to a home. The answer is B. Property taxes are considered a cost of keeping a home.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.